We often receive questions regarding title insurance. What is it? What does it do? So let's talk about it. Intro. Come on in, have a seat. Ben Weaver here, an Illinois attorney and founder of 23 Legal. I provide personal, practical, and professional legal service by guiding clients through the process of buying and selling a home throughout Chicago and its suburbs. With me as always is Adam Carr, who's starting to enjoy the warmer weather.
So let's pull the curtain back a little bit. We're actually filming this in February, so this should release around mid to late March. I hope I don't need this by the time this releases, but it's Illinois, you never know.
You never know. Well, you know what, today it's warmer than it was yesterday, so each day, bit by bit. And today, we'll take a few minutes to talk about title insurance in the great state of Illinois. Now, this is YouTube, so I know people are probably watching me in Zimbabwe right now, but note that each state handles the process of title insurance differently. So, what works in Illinois is separate from Indiana. That's the breaks. Well, we've said title insurance a few times already, but what is it? In short, it's insurance that protects the buyer and lender from financial loss due to a title defect prior to the home purchase. The insurance most often covers hidden or unrecorded mortgages, unpaid taxes, and estate issues. Once again, this protects the buyer from issues they could not possibly have known about before buying the house. So that sounds important to have, right? But how does it work? Well, once the contract is signed, the insurance company, by way of an agent, will research the title records, and in the Chicago area, that agent is usually the seller's attorney. Once the agent and the title company publish a report called the title commitment, and that title commitment lists any issues the seller must address before the sale can be closed. Once again, this gives both the seller and buyer a legal protection that everything has been completed. The closing then happens at the title company, where both attorneys and the title company ensure the house is indeed clear to close and all issues are checked off. So how is it handled in the Chicagoland area? Well, for one, it's the seller who purchases the insurance for the buyer in Illinois, not the buyer who pays for it themselves. It's a one-time fee that's paid at closing and is part of the regular closing costs. The closing, while agreed upon by all parties, is actually coordinated by the title company. Any fees for the title company outside of the title insurance are paid for by the buyer. The title company does not have set fees. As the cost of the house goes up, so do the title fees. But once all fees are paid for and taken care of by both sides, the eventual cost ends up being a similar amount for both the buyer and the seller. So that's just a little info on title insurance and title companies. As we mentioned, the title company hosts the closing, so plan ahead to be in the area for a little bit. What's that? I hear some grumbling. You're saying you may get hungry? Well, stick around. We plan to start a new video series recommending restaurants around title locations, so you'll know right where to go. I'm Ben Weaver, overtaking new contracts and clients, and I'll see you in the next video.